students, welcome to my grammar class. Today, we are going to learn how sentences are made. It's amazing how languages are born, how letters come together to make definite words, how words combine together to make meaningful phrases, and when phrases and words join together in a definite order, they make a beautiful and powerful sentence. You will learn the definition of each unit with examples. I'll share with you some interesting facts about them, and at the end, I'll have some do-it-yourself exercises for you. So let's begin.
So, different units of a sentence are letters, words and phrases. What is a letter? A letter is a symbol that represents one or more sounds in a speech in any language. For example, the sound T is represented as T in English, T in Hindi and Ta in Odia, my mother tongue. The set of letters in any language is called alphabet. In Hindi alphabet, there are 44 letters. In my mother tongue Odia, there are 52 letters. And in English alphabet, there are 26 letters. They represent 44 sounds. Some examples of English letters are as you can see, there are consonants as well as vowels. क्या आपको पता है कंबोडिया की लैंग्वेज खमेर में 74 लेटर्स होते हैं. दैट इज द मैक्सिमम लेटर्स इन एनी अल्फ़ाबेट. और सबसे कम लेटर्स रोटकस अल्फ़ाबेट लैटिन के होते हैं जिसमें देयर आर ओनली 12 लेटर्स. द नेक्स्ट यूनिट इज वर्ड. व्हाट इज अ वर्ड? A word is a combination of letters which has a definite meaning. For example, A, E, T, H, R are letters. When we take the first three letters, we can make three words: T, eat and ate. When you combine all the five letters, we can make heart, earth, wraith and hater. Interesting. क्या आपको पता है in Oxford Dictionary there are around 2,73,000 words, out of which 1,71,476 words are in current use. Others are not functional. There are also loan words or borrowed words. More than 700 words of Indian origin are placed in English dictionary. Amazing. Next unit is phrase. What is a phrase? A phrase is a combination of two or more words which has some meaning. For example, tea is a word. But if I say milk tea, herbal tea, tea stalls, a cup of red tea, benefits of green tea, they are phrases. Similarly, from heart, we can make golden heart, heart attack, heart and soul, learn by heart, wear heart on sleeve, a change of heart, etc. When words, phrases and sentences are formed from another by rearranging its letters, it's called anagram. Next is sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a combination of words and phrases arranged in such a way that it makes a complete sense. Remember, complete sense. For example, when we said a cup of herbal tea, it is a phrase because it gives some meaning but does not make clear or complete sense. But if I say, my grandma takes a cup of herbal tea in the morning, it gives a complete sense. Similarly, if I say heart attack, it has some meaning, but it does not make clear who had a heart attack or what happens if there is a heart attack. But if I say heart attacks don't always kill people instantly, it does make a complete sense. एक सेंटेंस में हम एक व्यक्ति या चीज के बारे में जानकारी देते हैं. उस व्यक्ति या चीज उस सेंटेंस का सब्जेक्ट होता है. उसके बारे में बाकी सारी जानकारी को उस सब्जेक्ट का प्रेडिकेट कहा जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, my grandma takes a cup of herbal tea in the morning. My grandma is the subject. और उनके बारे में बाकी जो कुछ कहा जा रहा है, that is takes a cup of herbal tea in the morning, is the predicate. In the second sentence, heart attacks is the subject and don't always kill people instantly is the predicate. Dear students, today you learned about making of sentences. Hopefully it has been useful to you. In my next video, you'll be learning different kinds of sentences. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay positive.